Alright, so I'm just making this to recoup my thoughts because February was quite a hectic month. Coming into February, I already knew that it was gonna be a choppy month, a difficult month. I didn't actually think it'd plan out like this, but if it dropped down to the daily for BTC, I thought, hmm, in hindsight, what's happened does make sense. I didn't think we'd get this leg up so soon. Um, and then we chopped for the month, which was expected. Although I expected it, I still got a bit roughed up. I did recoup it, but still I could have saved myself a lot of time, stress, and all that. But yeah, and we've obviously tagged 65k basically, which is crazy. That is it's crazy. We're already at all-time highs. That I can't believe it. Cannot believe it. Yeah, I'm just gobsmacked to be honest. But anyway, yeah, we're already at all-time highs. Cool. We need some sort of pullback before the halving. There's no way it just keeps going. It's not sustainable, you know. Um, and today, we like the whole market just got crazy wicked out. Obviously, since BTC has had a leg up, we're obviously gonna have another leg up for all these altcoins. I'll show you what I've been up to, but the scam wicks that we saw were crazy. Show you. It's just all this build up, and then within 10 minutes, just got flushed out like that, and then it reflected in all the alts. Look at Mask. Literally all. For some reason, I didn't have any of my stop losses put in place. For some reason, except Jupiter, and I took profits on WLD. Manta, I wasn't in XAI. I added to it, but it's just like it was so bizarre. Anyways, yeah, and then ETH BTC rejected this macro breakout, like just trapped everyone in. Yeah. So when this doesn't inevitably break out, probably the next retest is gonna go crazy. It really will. So right now, just guessing things and everything. This is just gonna chop around here till probably like a week into March, and then we're gonna see some breakage, and then yeah, alt might go berserk. Let's see how long it chops down there for though. I'm gonna try exit all my positions that I don't think will be good. Mm-mm. But I was close to doubling my account in one day, so how did I do that? Well, close as in when all these trades finish, I'll probably be like what 2/3 off that way to double my account, if that makes sense. What so like a 30%, 35% increase um on the account growth, which is still impressive nonetheless. Given I had been chopped up quite a lot. But yeah, I'll show you how I done it. So obviously small risk. I did play a bit of leverage, but stuff like Mask and Algo, they're two swing positions like that. I just leveraged that because I'm just playing like a degen, you know. I'm just trying to get my money up, you know. So Mask was, I'm looking at it here, okay, like this, yeah. On the weekly, we've got this cap of the market here. This levels cap in market. This is just a big range, so this is what I see very often. Like, so if we draw up here, so we just get like a wick here. It's not drawn very nicely, sorry. One sec. Alright, so if we have like what the hell? Okay, if we have this, yeah, and the market's coming up, and then we have a big wick up, wick down, and then we come here, another small wick there, and then we always see like some consolidation here before a tap into a demand zone within here. And we tap into that, and then we reclaim this macro range basically, and then we do target 1. There's probably a swing high within there, target 2, and then target 3 later on. And this is the swing position that you can make, and this I see this on all time frames, whether it's the H1 or the H4, or as we have right now, the weekly. So it's a very good setup to try and master from what I've been seeing, and this is literally what I've been doing for all my setups really, apart from R&DR. Rinse and repeat in this. So you see we have wick here, um, liquidity here, and then we have this weekly supply demand, sorry, here, and yeah. So you gotta make sure to, if you, okay, so you have like, if you have what tool should we use here? If you have a, yeah, if you have this, yeah, and you have 2 swing points here and here, as you see here and here. You could even use this one if you want, doesn't really matter, but we definitely know it's that one at the bottom here, over here. I probably won't hold it to all the way there. You need to find zones above each of the swing points, and we have one here, and we don't have information or data to go here, but really because we're going long, all we need is here, so that does not matter. Yeah, so if I was proactive and in the markets in September, I could have gone and seen, oh shit, look, this looks like a standard play. What's another one here? So XAI, not a good one. Sui, oh, that's a good one. All right, cool. If we drop into the 4 hour, daily actually. This isn't the cleanest example. What's a clean? Wild. Okay. Wherever it is. All right, cool. So you see here. I'll just clear the charts up. Cool. We have one swing point here. You know what? I'll just cool. We have wild here. If we draw it out here, we have one swing point here. You know what? Bugger. And one swing point here. So obvious liquidity levels here. But then we also have, was it in here? So H1 here. We have a, let's call it in here. We have a H1 in here, right? So you come off that demand level, as you see here, and then we are like, this is a very scammy day. This doesn't usually happen. This is like 1 in 10 really. And then yeah, you're obviously looking for the highs here. It will eventually get to the highs. I TP'd around here, so I got out of that quickly. But yeah, this setup does incur 9 out of 10 times. Quite a lot. You just have to be patient for the setup and the build-up play and whatnot. So if you look into here, you have these 2 swing points here, here, or here, wherever you may be, and then you have a. If you go to the 2-day, I'm sure something will come up. You have a 2-day supply here, demand, sorry, fuck, and it's nice clean tap into there. And then you're looking for this point. So it eventually just does get to that, and like I said, there's another range here. Like, can you see it just ranges as well, like here, and then that allows for another opportunity to come in here. As you can see, it comes back down here. If you zoom out here, you come back into here as well. It's all rinse and repeat really. Like the market does give you many opportunities to come back in. Um, so yeah, you can see this in all my other ones. Algo was a bit different. We'll get back onto that one soon. Zeta was it here. Zeta was another one. If we just clean up the chart for a bit, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay, say if we're here, which I marked this all out, I just didn't actually get it. So here on the 1 hour, we have a 1 hour demand level, clean. So if we were here, which I was looking at the time, you come in here, okay, and then you have two liquidity levels here, untapped, nice, cool. So what do we look for? Demand or supply above and below. We're looking for a long, so we're looking for demand below the liquidity level. So you just simply put it there, and yeah, I would have put my stop here really. Not a hard stop, but yeah, nonetheless. And then I think I put my first target here because you had two highs here. You could also here. It will eventually get to that. You got you know so many highs here. Um, yeah, it's not hard at all. Really, I just base my whole game off these two liquidity anyway. So if we look at Mask, where I entered on a retest of the high right here, you know, I just wanted to get an early position because I didn't want it to go without me because there's so much air to fill soon. Look at the daily. Look, it's gonna go up very soon. It will chop around, it will fuck around. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, it's gonna come up because fractal price will tell me yeah, it's gonna come up probably around here at the very least. And knowing the bull run, it's just gonna go up. So yeah, fear not, man. But that's just like what I want to achieve, how I want to achieve my things going forward, rather. So yeah, anything else I need to add on to? Let me see. Not really. Let me think. Oh, it's another one. Exactly the same thing. Bang bang, H1. Although I actually don't know where I got the H1 supply from, demand, sorry, from. I'm not too sure because I did write it down and I was like, how the hell did I get that? I think I went down to a lower time frame and I saw two order blocks on top of each other, and I was like, let me just take both of them combined, bash. So, so yeah, this one was yeah, this one wouldn't really incur like this, like a big fat wick. If I look at it now, what's it doing right now? If it actually did fill in the wick or not. Oh, um, that's just kind of ugly now, to be honest. Good thing I took profits like wild as well. I wouldn't take it all the way up personally, just no ways. But if you look at Arkham, for example, I'm sure I can find something in Arkham. Alright, so go to the 1 hour here. If we go, okay, so we got this here, this here. Let's do it from here, yeah. And then we have this swing here. Cool. Um, it's actually not very clean. You could use this. I wouldn't really use this. This is a bad setup, but if I were to stretch it, yeah, this is what I'd go for. Um, realistically, I'm actually gonna use this one, but it doesn't hold. So what's the next big thing? Bang, here. Yeah, not the best example, but you get the point. And Sue was a perfect one, I think. I drew this blue line for whatever reason. I can't remember why. Yeah, okay, that's why. And it just tapped that blue level perfectly. Macro was telling me. Okay, cool. Um, look at this, yeah. 4 hour. Obi. Yeah, anyway. Can't fish it out everywhere, it's timed and everything, but 9 out of 10 times you can find something. Oh my god. Look at those, fam. But yeah. Yeah, would you look at that? This is even more powerful. Um, didn't enter this, but again marked out everything. So I saw a H4 in here, which is very nice H4 demand candle here. And then I just looked within, and then I saw, oh, that's an even better H1 demand candle, and it just tapped right in there, and that never saw anything coming back down there again. Um, it was a great little reversal. So so yeah, and then this did end up taking that high out anyway, so you could have targeted there, and if you were really confident you could have just done this. 10 up, not bad. But yeah, now for this one I would have looked for, oh yeah, there it is, look, so easy. What am I looking at? I'm ignoring the scam wick, by the way, because this just does not happen. Yeah, you would just get stopped out. Cool, there, right there, bang, 15 minutes retest of the high as it was. um Yeah, even if you got stopped out, say for example, oh, okay, you got stopped out at the scam wick, cool. Got stopped at 1R, here, cool. Right there. You got given another opportunity to come in here. Stop even below there, and you're probably gonna make your money back. Even if you just aim for here, you're probably gonna make your money back anyway. So, and more. That's 2.6 or 4R. Alright, if you were to do it here, there, you made your money back and a bit more. Cool. So yeah, nothing crazy. Just wanted to drop my thoughts down because I see myself often doing a lot of things right, and then it gets a bit boring or tedious or repetitive. I feel like adding more stuff to my arsenal, which no one asked for, not even myself. So I just need to keep at it, rinse and repeat. Opportunities will come. Stay patient. Live in abundance, and I'm doing quite well. I'm happy with my progress. My account growth is going nicely. Almost at 4 figs. Um, hopefully 6 figs by the end of the year. Yeah, nice one.